So since this looks ugly, I want to take a look at the header. We can create a custom header with Elementor Pro. We can also import a pre-made header, and I want to show you the best of both worlds. So in order to create a beautiful template for the header, we can go to the backend. We can go to templates, theme builder. Then I click on try now. We need to see the new theme builder, which you will see over here. And here it says start customizing every part of your website. With Elementor Pro, you can create a custom header, footer, single post, single page, archive, search result, error, but also WooCommerce pages, portfolio pages. The sky is the limit. So you don't need a theme for that. And that's why we installed the Hello theme, because it has not that much options. So it's a really lightweight theme, and it's perfect for Elementor Page Builder. It's also made by the same makers of Elementor. The great thing is you can assign every template to a specific page of the website. So I can say I want to have a header for the home page, but for a different page or for all the categories or all the blog posts, I want to have different headers. So I'll show you how it works. Right now I want to create a header, so I click on the plus over here. And then we can do a few things. We can make use of a pre-made template. So you can take a look over here. If you click on the plus, this is how it looks. A logo at the left, dark background, and a menu and a search icon. Well, if you want it, you can click on insert. You can go back to the library, take a look. There are some nice examples with this phone number, gradient background. There's also something like this. Logo here, menu below, and it's all made for you. You just need to insert it, and then you can change everything to your wishes. Or you can start from scratch, hitting the X. Or you can import a pre-made template by the community. Well, we're going to do that in a minute. I created a beautiful template for you already. But right now I want to show you how you can build something from scratch. So the first thing I want to do, I want to give this a name. I want to keep things organized in my website. And in order to do that, I go to the settings over here and I give this a name. I call this the main header. This is the header I want to use on almost every page on my website. So that's it. Preview settings, that's all fine.